Looking for the fuse box in your Ford F-250, 2008 to 2012? I'll show you exactly where it is and break down the diagram so you can find the right fuse quickly. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in 2008 to 2010 Ford F-250 models manages and protects interior electrical circuits for features such as power windows, the radio, and climate controls using fuses, relays, and circuit breakers. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2011 to 2012 Ford F-250 controls key interior systems like the instrument panel, power seats, and audio components. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2008 to 2010 Ford F-250 protects and controls circuits related to engine management, headlights, trailer tow, and ABS. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2011 to 2012 Ford F-250 manages high-power circuits such as the PCM, fuel pump, cooling fan, and trailer towing system. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.